Louisios Avenue. We near Castle Namia Adoma 8 December to 14 December. We have 10% free promo discount. Back to Louisios. I'll say, oh, they for 39.40 Dibra. And I teach you Dibra. Dr. Like Dibra. Thank you, Studios for the Dibra.
Okay, so Ahano, yeah, offer services to set fabric, pedicure, braids. We even do pixie cut as well. Yeah, all that.
Yeah.
Your chips are not left out, everyone. And complimentary to the services, we have refreshments like tea, whatever, champagne, sweet wine, and all that.
What else you
every day, anytime. No.
Anna,
it's free. It's part of the services.
Free. Mukwana moyesa how. My idea. It's a regular salon baby, but also go ahead, manager. Mukwana moyesa. Hey, I'm Islam. Hey, Louisios Avenue.
Land of beauty.
Understand music.
Amanda, we are sure.
Sure. Okay.
And I'm a fair fool.
Me never find a fair fool.
Say be a taxi driver because then you could the only need yache. Amanda, we are okay. And I be how I catch me. I don't know, mommy, worried, sir. Huh? What is wrong with you?
I'm okay.
Hey, you are even crying.
I'm not.
Oh, Amanda. I'm so fine. I don't know I don't know how. I don't be one. Sister Ama, Obi one, Obi Ahuofe. Oh, man, yes, sir. Me, I don't be here now. Obi Ahuofe.
Oh, Obeji dise enra. Meko.
Oko he. Obi afa obi bia na.
Enra meko George fie. Meko na George ni lady bi epie free ni dem ho so ne na kodawie. So why they mean
George?
Yeah,
George Ben. When share George before na taxi driver no.
George. Taxi onye taxi driver wodi. Your friend yaw George.
Na so treat taxi. Onu no anya kokodro akofo ba before the na be share dem.
On sign cross sign deny make in front of oba no say onime.
O si onimu.
O sign bisa me say ade me ye nurse fo na omu chinchin fiefie. Eso so nkwala enum ni bia na ne fie ho de.
What do wata den
da ko? Time bia
uniform. And o si wo so nkra enum. Be mo no wadeda by heart no. And that dear, obisa was so nkranum, e wo ba foforo anim. Hey, ya me say ya wo se hwan yo se me taxi driver na me frɛ no. Waka baton re. So onu no timi gina wani se na me ni ho. Wo no wahu se ase de bia wo ye dindin ti no de opa bia na ode ye wo. Wahu se asa wo mpɛ kasa. Eye ye bia ne se ogina ha wo su. Wahu se wani nya de ti de bia asa na ode bedu. Don't worry. Me ni wo be Kofi ho. Oba kyerɛ me. Baby o hia wo a wo so onim wo no oba kyerɛ me baby kro. What kind of life is that?
Yeah.
Debbie, in fact, Amanda, go inside na cause so bet me the way am enko.
Debbie, I'll be fine.
You'll be fine. Just saying, you are not fine. Who didn't I don't know when did this happen?
Enra yao. Sana me friend na on pick.
Na me way na won frɛ wo. Na wo se ka wo gina gate na na ka wa frɛ me.
Na say enra no wo call night. Inti time a me pon ye na me ba me be fe na me fa ho. Then na wo afi na wo prepare akọ.
Oh, na say enye hwe. What are friends for?
Sis, wo dear.
There be means na ma obi nya wo sa.
Ochina koja me na me kopa na cho.
Wo kopa ma ya cho.
George, e bia na ma ye ne bibi no ntimi
Amanda
kan kire me because me nti ase Ebia na ma ye bibi makaka
George no Debbie wo de me ba George no adai o bibi won ho a wonti jai bi ya na den because the ositi so de menya sure say ebia be ma tieta menya sure say ebia na bibi papa bi wo ho nti na ase wo ana wo te de meka na se bibi sa wo ho ana ase wonti menya ho nko ana bibi
wonti masie
hwe wo de don't worry ochina say wo say enko ne enkopa na cho say less ye be kono makopa na cho why meko ho because see be me na bra George we dey pa cho fa che why say sa na pe meko ko
e bi se wa men ko yesa wo dey ye kwa bisa me say ma ye bibi on fa nche me na bua me na ye mbu nkotodwe ne yempa na cho
me mbu nkotodwe mpa na cho don't worry me
sure
oh me
I promise
George na obeji medis ye be pa na cho am na ate ase
wo kokon kwa na wo
dey be yenko
promise say ye kwa wo kokon
minti me promise so but e ya chopa ne ye kopa nti se na me pa ne bia se de ehia ne se nipa no obeba na obefa de wadi no obi nnim obi mefa obi mehu em obi meka
nti ochina ne be den akọ because me wo afternoon wo morning
se onto wo ya pon a nti wo sre kwan wa adwuma mu ene eyin kasa incharge nkasa no ma wo de se bi opon be se to oba me so me free fintem na se ye ko wi na se we ya chopa se de o kan na ti ye ko be ko akopa na cho why anti be marketikiti we ama oba te se wo gina ho esu ni suo for what reason and onu anya kokodo hwe Amanda be ma on so onya deny wo ba anima na che so onpe obi emu
men kasa onpe mi George pe me
no pe wa didn't know so onim wo ana wo boa da bi won so ne wuntwa ntro by heart
aha sa school wa bra wonim kakra bi mo ayo ha o de bi se so hwe una why odi akola kra ai di obi share bia bisa so hwehwe una se ni pa kono tema ko be chro why ai okay aha ya wa father street ni bra why me jira me fie nani yo mate yo
oh ona
yo bye
oh ona ile vya boko ubesi ni na chese ubo trouble ubesi ni mameti usando na munya na musa yo kasa babia me nampa mate ukasa ene musa yewa
na le hanzo
oh ya jiji sika ma me se me koto funa daka ne se mabebe hu ha nimse me se me na me koto funa daka na ofa bia wi oh ona we de mabebe hu ha nimse no it is my responsibility and my apologize for you said de my no ma nyade eno ma si wo menu ntem said wo ba station wo how me no kasa ye it's not my fault
amati so bo mu said ye wo ye no wa nyade de na se ni da ho bone na wo de yes
enye ni da ho bone
ah
enye ni da ho bone
no me ba wo ade na youth na maba no yetumufo a mompe obi a minya odok so kokura ma 1% ka meto car no bi kura ma wo
ona
na my bus station look at how I make us
actually say yeah sometimes enya futu bi ana sebe wetima tu bi afutu asikanka ho no ya na ya futu kwase afutu at the end of the day no I'm the one taking care of myself pacho witimi pa ena station e nam no sebe obi ade na adwene nam station ho no so that say ena sebe woni car mo obi so aya na santa wonton nipa na nkwa entubase sebe woni akora betena fie kwa na akora no obeye good a eso so you good before answer na akora
but I'm matter whatever you call yourself so far as metima to car worth more than billions amount I can control you
control ni there sebe and we say na be control anya nipa dua
you know how to deal with people that comes your way
me ba apologize
what here
anya baba musa me no baba ye baba mesrew de ma ye biam so fa che me so nen enye chese menua no kra ntini ono kra ka ho bi ntina na me di sankwa yesem
ti o se unua na ameka se me nchiro so obeko woni ma ayewa no se be wi o se de wi o yeye a ayewa no
ona I see your dream as you are standing here I see your dream I know how like you want to build yourself like you want to be a owner buy cars for people to work for you I know how I see I put my problem in your shoes please I'm a destiny helper my bow life in system the bow send them kofo chiu ka omo ya omo sese o cars omo ya no ma no man here I'm here to help you.
Amate, say the wusi ka say we are sure say see me nya akoma pa bi ma otoka na bi ma wa. Obaye na say the o kana no.
Could you believe say Shazi, Shatawale Shazi. Me na nanke de shamensa. But you ask Nyankopon de obi afa ba bia obefa. And I'm catching say no. On to ne boase no wanyi kanye sika wie. Ma me mo obi opeso ofefe. So now it's you I want to help you. Try me person me twika no, me person otoka ma na me twika na na otoka 5 ka ho. Se bin si your life muda me metro say you different colors people. Kauna, I'm a destiny helper in your life. As a young boy like you, see your hair. How you are building yourself. I know you want to build and you want to, you know, you want to build and regular things.
Amate, I say when you make us say when you preacher can pass.
Eh, cause some na me ni Jimmy. Young boy the car mommy. Mommy me ko ye adwuma da obato ho. E ba wo say kan kwasem. Onu tin na me din kwasem no. De na me ye ni na no nwan tin na me din kwasem no.
Nti o no anu ni tin na wo de fa so keka wa adwen.
Oh, na say no de sabe.
Ah?
On say oh pra no de obet ma pra na fa. E fa na fa ho. Enti na ma ban sem ye sorry. Mr. O. Fache me what?
Next time no you are dealing with people know your level. What you hear?
My sorry.
Because you me no won't me mo me na metumi abo.
Boy dey meet my boy. Say the car is one na say me meje so e bia nko bi so meje.
Say na car is you metumi aton.
Mr. O, enti am say my about life say me so be boa wo. Because what ma to car, e so dey money papa na ni papa twika no. So that's wo benya mfa so. E bi ni me. My boss Shazi a proposal no the ban. My that on chain. Me so on chain. I want to help him. I want you to build. Now so what you want be done Shazi. Could you believe say me ya wo me say me twika man krofo. Me twa ba me person me nyeska wo. Me twa man krofo keke.
So Amate, what of your licenses?
My licenses, oh, immediately. That na asem ni see na quickly na me do offense so. Na me say hey, mum ye wo drop ni mu. Fresh in boss, makofa back ra ha. Ohunti na masako fa me licenses aba said that umma police station san be ya twika say age me licenses and I say me twika kra ye ncheme but ohunti na makofa me licenses aba. And I'm say abom me say me emfa so be ne menya. Da me twika emfa so be ne menya. Wo na me de bro, wo na me de boa wo. That was my life. Please.
Welcome at. Why? I will see what I can do.
And so what tinted now better and I say second hand nana be na do be mami.
Sir.
Kano.
Be sure who care se fata na me dia.
Oh.
Say do see kasa dey.
Mate.
Mema wo ka papa.
Mate.
Now they are adwuma na maso wa hwe. But so we good mami I will surprise you.
Oh na ya na sometimes can't say you be so nipa hwe. Nipa wo so nipa hwe utimi nya no. Catch say yes, I will trust you. I will give it to you. Oh, you are building trust. Oh.
Man, I have trust issues.
It's so bad for you to do that. A man, you know, me trust issues. And yeah, job I do my home. Trust issues say.
What it?
Debbie, see, now come your lawyer.
Me
school, me co education. Education help to acquire knowledge, skills, and attitude. Now come back be a lawyer, but being team na me jaye. And to once I want to make us and kasa na ye baby. The so fetch me. Apologize. Eh? Age is not responsibility. Man, you need me jolly crowd room. Me bo me age to one we see asema na nko.
I say you try so. Chudo beti mako. Say dem aka no.
Miss Ropa what?
Oh, my number no.
Oh, una, o number no. Na 555 nana. Last time I fire oba bi na fire.
No.
And I'm menyo dey Miss Ropa. Because I say wo ma do so. Obema dey obe dey. Unye bia no obo bi no awe bia nche so no dey oboni achew. Why?
Chudo a free 740 ko frame.
Mate.
Na yeni nkomo.
Mate. Ka na me das pa nyame show.
Oh, well, I said that nyame wa nyame.
Me das pa what? So what me tell me. Oh. Kase ebusu afo tima gigi funu sika nyina dia ma me se me koto funa da kan family fie. Me nyini papa kinti me nyesa because had no de omuta di dwane. But me ko
you never faka.
Oh, who say me miska ka ho?
Anyafi.
No mo jobo. Na me shira wo.
Sana se kire.
No mo jobo chese na me shira wo.
Okay.
Na me shira what?
Today they be be after.
But me fro pass what I say. But e mam second hand so nyame ka okuma neto tinted mam what?
Me ma dey come.
Shira wo pa. Oh, me ti tell me kwa o dey masaba. Me fro na maba. Oh.
Kasa na yene da so what you say? Huh?
understand music.
Mine the first go.
I want to show you class. I want to show you better things. Okay?
I trust you. Okay. I like the food. It's nice.
Yes.
The food is good.
Yeah. You see, when you see me like this, when I say I like something, I like it. And I'm very, very honest. I can swear. I'll swear that I love you.
I know. Come on.
I will die with
You don't need to tell me this. I know. I can see everything. My phone.
you. Nobody can stand me. Nobody can stand me. So wait you, Grandpa, into me. Mini chairman. Thank you. So I'll take you out on a trip to Dubai. Yeah. You deserve it.
Are you serious?
Of course, you deserve it. You are a very sweet lady. My Sandra. That's why I call you my Sandra, my Sandra, my Sandra. Somebody would understand why I call you my Sandra, my Sandra, my Sandra. Oh my God.
My Okoro.
My Sandra, don't try for you. When you mix it to do the organs. Chicken is so soft.
You know what's good?
Yeah. That's why I brought you here. Oh dear. I've always felt it. But please don't ever leave me, okay?
No, I won't.
Me, as for me, if you leave me, I will die.
You won't die, and I will not leave you. I don't have any.
Oh, this Legon, you are the most beautiful.
Stop flattering me. Are you serious?
When I'm in the car with you and we are moving around, don't you say I'm going to us?
Alright.
Because we make a very nice couple.
Couple?
Yeah.
Oh, weird.
Do you want to spoil the nights?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, couple, yes.
Yeah.
Understand music.
Wow.
Mr.
Anyway. You look really good.
Nice. Cute. Anyway, how about you? You're looking good too.
I'm trying.
I'm trying, babe.
So how's school? We are now done, so we are thinking of what to do next. You know Ghana.
Wow, 4 years. We had you. We had you. I don't have time for all this. And a handout. Hey, and this is how this going to hand out. This is how catch you.
I mean, me was because it's the same as I have money.
Funny enough, people have been a watch about to their home.
It's okay. I'm just looking for a job now.
Anyway, you some people school, some people LA.
I mean,
So, don't you want to hear any truth about my baby?
So why do you think I'm even
sweetie
here?
Popeye.
Why do you think I'm even here?
Oh, baby, my old dog.
What's going on? What's been going on?
News flash. I'm getting a new car. Oh yes.
A car?
So that was also with you idea.
Like you mean a car?
Oh yes.
Wow. The apartment plus a car.
Anyhow, also with you idea.
Wow, that's so nice.
Hey, my Ajika, so I paper at the bend.
Don't even piss me off.
Anyway, but for the more serious notes. Anyway, sometimes I regret it. I wish I joined you, but then.
I mean, you were really brilliant.
Oh, nigga, life goes on.
You
know, you people, you are coming from good homes, you know. But me, I didn't get that, and then.
Look, as I said, they may know any different. It's the same thing. Just that me not a meeting a year, Juma. Oh no, of course.
Oh really?
No, I'm not saying about.
Oh really?
Yeah.
You can't know. What are you?
What are you telling me?
You
can't to him.
But on a more serious note, the man is so nice. So like he cares too much. Like when him says sometimes crying at me feel say I don't even know if the man married his wife because of something. Because the kind of love the man they love me now. Are you serious? Oh?
I told you. You know, men like these with you, a girl like you, with the body, with the face, with the class, everything.
Oh.
He will treat you like
my God.
And that's what matters.
Falling in love with
you. You have
I didn't say I have. I said I think.
Are you falling in love with the money? Or you're falling in love with him? Which is which?
Money. Him. Money. Oh, I'm in love with him. Oh yes, that's true. I think the money. Hey, that one. Hey, Adjololo. My East Legon landlord.
Oh, you're looking fresh.
Monica.
Wait, Papa.
Monica, do you know the cream that I used?
I can imagine because the way you're looking fresh.
Stop it.
Wow. It's giving inches.
In fact, Ora sisi akora me pam.
I can see what the
make a comment with that. I mean, she's something when I am paid.
So, on what she will fear.
Oh, say.
Oh, no, she will fear.
Like a woman, movie.
Oh,
sorry.
Sorry.
Okay, sorry.
Hey, Amanda, you got him to Amanda.
George.
And I saw the kitchen. And I want to
George.
Ah,
George.
Amanda, I'm dying. Che. What a woman. Waba na asa wani ade. Hey, every day. Isi enko pa na chowe. O ba mo ya cho.
Amanda, Mpumbo ko die.
Nyame adom.
Anda oba one frame se bia oba.
One frame one son eh na wo kwa kokodro be na ya wutimi nya ne sa no. Wo wa kokodro pa o.
Sister, what time to me bet minim where's up so who the bad side of me. What try bet wunya. Nti wunya yi.
Minyai.
Ah?
E de be wo de me no ene ba ye ba ha sei. Me bebusa.
Say wo be patron wo be bisa.
Me be pa na cho say. Ada de na me de aye no.
Oh, mani musa me say o nsem twire ni.
What is that? I mean, na yama ya ba ha na de ntine ya ba.
Si brana be jam na me be pa na cho.
Me na enu ntina me free fie be gina na be pa o no na cho.
Alomo jata. You betimi opeso busam bia just ask me. I'm ready for questions.
E de ntina oba mu fie ho a wo ni oba wo ho wo deny ne no.
Me deny no.
Ai, e de ntina oba fie ha sei. E kra anya fie. Me kra me ba no. O ka se me ba me kunu ni fie ho na me nim se me ba tu fi mu abi. Me kra me ba me nim se kitchen.
Aya kitchen be a flat and a huni sa no.
Ai. Amanda, ana wo timi nya akokodro sa de oba foforo ba sa dan wi mu.
Ai.
Ana wo deny ne se just like wouldn't nim no.
Madam, what's me denying the converse anytime baby because you can maintain say Amanda oba hara be.
George, I didn't know where to do any sir.
Ah, na matu so many area kan me hu busa etimi bodin. Oh, ho bia wa se na ni a otimi hu nipa bodin.
Amanda na wo
Me ba me chan.
There is Amanda na me nim no so won twanto. Ada na bra wo yesa.
Ano no so yesa. Wo ba hata me.
Me ba ha se man beto ni oba bi wa ha se wo se wonni me. Wo se wonni me wo ba bia na wo pa me ni oba ni nyina wo pa wo ni oba ni nyina pa mo me si abo.
Amanda utimi ka se mam ho dwere me wan wa se.
Hey, George.
What about to me no about hada?
George, I didn't know so buying to sir.
I know so subati sir. Amanda, there be what surprise me pa.
There be African awareness shani ntina na bia wo son da Amanda kai wo te bia na ye na wo son ye. Wo ye so so ba ha na bra yi.
Wo da so ka bra yi
sister. Da ye. Me ba fear ha me.
Ana abeto me.
Wo beto me wani nya den. Eya me se mo wani nya den.
Wo beto me.
Na wo me ba no kra me nim se wo di na ye wo no me nim se bia. Why tenten ni bia ka ho. Ana say bia se say no. Some you difference bia. Difference a woman ni we na ehye no.
Amada problem wo nyina ya wo yonko ya. Problem me no wo ni wiase nyina. Ane de ekoso nyina ye we ntira. Hwe, kan hu se me to me nye ni paketo wo. Sister, material she me no. Ya do tra ho se to be 3 years 4 years going to be to.
Abochifo ayi no mo de nenam 22 cities. Wo ka we kra wo firi a ono no wo firi kra na oduru online wo ka. Na so what shop away omo de twam.
Amanda yonko kan kwasesem pa nyame nu kure ni. Wo say enu ntina ama me ntimi connect right now no. Because I've learned my lesson. Me na say ama yonko me de suspect me every day. That is the main problem. That is the main problem. Get out. Sister. Wow, here. Say ignition na habit. Best start can won ya say. Na fake can as makinesia. Me the kin be wuro ni say me chim ni so better.
What dey say oni na ye problem na me na ya ka e me wa ya ka.
Amanda, me patcho me hu so be fi akrada. For the past day, me
hey, George.
Just get out and let me pack my car and get inside.
Auntie dear pa na hu we mu. Odo. Wait me enti wo ade a wo ye no. Ma ne nye se ebia wo ma ne broken at work for ba foforo. E ma ne nye se ebia ma ne nye se prank bia aguro bi na wodi. Na se be ye no kra sa ampa wo ne madam for na de da by heart na waja na. Juma me de be di wo no. Wo de ene no ye me ba ne kokobo. Se wo enti me ama ne app. Enti me anka say ai ampa oba e me di na ye no na den went me anka hwe ni nyina wo say de o ka ni nyina ye ntro nti de afa ne say ye da ye enye no kre
sewa
na e ma ne nya say de wo ka
no sewa
enye no
sewa
ti na say esia
sewa osi wunti
na wo ye sa
osi wunti na oye dia oye
ade tina me ye sa
osi wunti na oye dia oye sewa me wa ya ka o
be me bie no betwem
fra efi kwa me no wa ya ka o me no wa ya ka
na wo be kuma ni maso
me no wa osi wunti na opeso jam no
e tu da
so me no wa ya ka
listen to me get out
George,
get out.
Wunti madam funa ya kase sia.
Why me for my account be?
Who command? One command no.
Get out. Hey.
Command na. He. Be fire me. So beti na fire.
kami hu boy pa on say no ti send the pemu si bi atu nipa ho no kami hu mpra
me dem mfa ne ma bi say
oh okay amanda ni free me why
Aha.
enema no free adwuma ba ye nche enema na bre etinema no so kwada kakra
Ana so ono na any taste
afre get out
ba be fa wo
pie
na ka wo de yesi wanya sika kakra kra me tie ne ka hanky
sister mapo ana wusi mapo na hwe atade ehye me ana wusi masisa Amanda, meme, daddy, what? Amanda.
Oh, Debbie,
Amanda.
No, I
I know we are quite obi because of one born.
Amanda.
There will be because of one
problem, Anna.
Problem, babe.
Oh, person, we are not the mesa kana kasi be mabu aba na say.
Who say be kan and sabe na de be kan hwan. Enter there. Wait. And I will put brother there.
Ah, who yonko who me say? Who me say?
Me say me no I can men come asem bi am call George my feel.
Hey, Amanda. Hey,
George my feel.
We are nurse ni me person be do them.
Me no I can.
We are nurse ni me person be do them. Hwe ye.
George.
Hwe ye.
Baby, I mean, she what you for so here. Who go say na him? Hey. Amanda so hu ade a wakofa aba. Wama se wo ye die yin so ye die yin wo de wabasa afie we mu. Atwa fa so okọ. Ni kokra eja wo no opa cho ode ko nice restaurant. E na okopa wa cho. Ono ni gentleman no. Wama hwede ye taxi driver we ye wo se ono wanya eyi ahye nya wudi ne mpo. Anya princess. Gawo fo ayi na omode ne nam na anu abia na watwa na ama obi etele ni nkwanche oma pama no. E na ono no de be ya kesese magu so wo se ba beda sa dai we mu. Enya wo na wo meme ye sure se wa ye obibi. I'm so see a Kofi ni wo ma me kotena se ni ehwe se bia na bibi na ode ye wo because we dey e won wa ah me se mi ankwai na de obeye wa na wa ye wo no why George no come she me do eh everybody na kopi George.
Hello family, what's good? 3940 here. Guess what? NKB Studios have free access to its unreleased movies on YouTube. Episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode what. And then you can subscribe. So link in that channel and also tap on the link. Just pay 10 Ghana cedis. 10 Ghana cedis per to watch the unreleased episode. 10 Ghana cedis and sana baba to public amu biya nya biya. But all person when secret there to your 10 Ghana cedis per. Na bo link na so edo be ko channel no so straight. Na do akwa share episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode 5. Na nya ka so go to your old trend there o de koye bra o de koye bra ni be dia dance here. Koye bra ni be dia dance here. I love you all. Happy Christmas. Love active.